Hi, George Davis here from ProBuilt Homes. Wanted to take a few minutes of your time to talk about two options when custom building. One would be customizable plans and the other would be full design build custom. Today, most of us live a really busy lifestyle, and a lot of times we can jumpstart the custom building process by starting with one of our home plans. We've spent years developing those plans, tweaking them, working out all the costing of those plans, and designing a really top-notch floor plan. We start from that, and then sky's the limit. We could change anything you want. But we've shortcutted that design process. We've saved probably 3 or 4 months of design by starting with something that already exists. Another benefit of possibly doing a customizable plan is that we've built them before. So if you're a visual 3D person, it's very easy for you to actually step into one. And if, sure, want to make some changes, we can visualize those changes pretty easily. From our perspective internally, anything that you may do custom on one of those plans, we can usually turn those blueprints around in a matter of a few days or a week, and I, as the estimator, can easily estimate those changes in a couple of days. If we start, if you don't see anything you like in our standard plans, nothing even closely related to what you want, or you just want to do the full experience, which is fun, by the way, I've done it myself, we can go full design build custom. We need to have a larger time frame, and more importantly, we need more of your time. Your input is critical in a full custom home. I would expect that we would have many meetings, myself, the salesman, the designer, and the architect to develop that print. So the benefit of full custom though is it's a blank canvas. You can truly be artistic. Just need to search your soul and make sure that you actually have the time to invest in it. Otherwise it can be very frustrating, and that you really want to enjoy that and understand that it's impossible to walk through it because we've never built it before. As far as time frame on our part, typically that design time on a full custom home is 4 to 6 months. Sometimes we can do better, sometimes not. Depends a lot on your availability. But we're going to require your time for a lot of meetings. And then once we get that design situated, then I need to price it out. And I don't have any jump start. I have to start from scratch pricing it as well. That's going to take maybe 2 weeks to a month for me to compute the pricing. We love to do both. We love to be spot on creative on full custom from scratch, and we also love to put a client's signature on one of our standard plans. Another important thing to think about when deciding to build a full custom home versus a customizable plan may be cost. I'm here to tell you, building full custom is never cheaper. A prototype is more expensive than a proven product. I like to use the car example. Ford doesn't sell you the prototype, but if they did, it would be hundreds of thousands of dollars for that car. When you go buy that production unit, they've tested it for years, they've worked out all the bugs, they got the material list down to an exact science, and you get a production product that can be at a really sharp price when you buy that car. Same thing with a house. Something we've never built before is going to cost more than something we've worked out all the bugs and figured out the best, most economical way to build it. So building full custom is never less expensive than buying a standard plan. The benefits of full custom is that complete blank canvas and being able to start from scratch. Here at ProBuilt, like I said before, we love doing both. Whichever way you choose to go, we want to be your builder. And my team here at ProBuilt is very capable. We are very organized, very detailed, and are the best choice for you for your project, whether it's a customized standard plan or a full custom home.